Welcome back to Learning Made Fun, your ultimate destination for IT training content. Today, we get ready to learn some system information Linux commands, my favorite. Whether you're a newcomer or a longtime subscriber, I've got some exciting and informative content lined up just for you. Welcome everybody. Today we're going to cover a couple of Linux commands. These will be pertaining to system information. We're currently logged into our file server instance, and the first one up will display the Linux system information. So we're going to use the uname-a for this command to let us know our host name and that we are on Linux. Let's clear that one up. Our next one is going to display the kernel release information. So we're going to enter the uname-r command. Now, if you notice from a second ago, if we go back to the uname-a, that kernel showed up here as well. That's 6.2.16-3. Let's clear these up. Our next one is going to show operating system information, such as the distribution name and the version. So for that, we want to do the cat command, and we're going to do the etc and OS release. This shows us we're in a Debian Linux 11, version 11. So very similar to the uname-a, but it's just a little bit more thorough. Once again, that was a cat etc OS release. All right. So now I want to see, or I want something to show me how long the system has been running and the load. So for that, I'm going to use uptime. And then next up, let's clear this one out of the way. I want to show the system host name. So I should be able just to say host name, and our instance is a file server. Now if I say host name-i, this is also going to give me my IP address, similar to if I did an IPA, but that gives you, notice the difference, the host name-i is a lot cleaner. So host name-i, there we are, much cleaner. And so let's get out of there. And when was the last time we rebooted the system? So last reboot, this will give us a history. Now I want to show the current date, simple as using the date command. And there's also a calendar, but I don't think I've installed it. No, okay, so I did install that one. But you should be able to install the cal command and have a calendar here as well. I won't do it right now, but that cal will help you install the calendar. I also want to see who's online. And right now I have two users. I have the root user and I have myself, Noe. And it shows me which that the root's been idle for a little while. It also shows that if you look at the Noe log on the third column on the from 192.168.0.71, that's there because I SSH'd into the system. And then the last one is who am I? So I'm under the Noe user. So that's it, my friends. That's it for today. Just a couple of really quick system information Linux commands, and on our next video we're going to talk about which commands to get some hardware information. I'll see you in that video. Take care.